Lesson: Engaging stakeholders in AI ethical practices. Engaging stakeholders in AI ethical practices is an essential component of effective AI governance. This task requires a nuanced understanding of the various stakeholders involved, their interests, and how they can collaboratively contribute to responsible AI development and implementation. Stakeholders in AI ethics typically include developers, policymakers, end users, business leaders, and civil society groups. Engaging these diverse groups ensures that AI systems are developed and deployed in ways that are socially beneficial, transparent, and aligned with ethical standards. One of the most effective ways to engage stakeholders is through the use of comprehensive ethical frameworks. These frameworks provide a structured approach to identifying and addressing ethical issues in AI. For example, the IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems has developed a comprehensive set of guidelines aimed at promoting ethical AI practices. These guidelines emphasize transparency, accountability, and the preservation of human rights. By adopting such frameworks, organizations can ensure that their AI systems are not only technically robust but also ethically sound. A practical step in engaging stakeholders is conducting stakeholder mapping. This process involves identifying all relevant stakeholders, understanding their interests and influence, and determining the best ways to engage with them. A stakeholder map can help organizations visualize the relationships and power dynamics among different stakeholders, enabling them to tailor their engagement strategies effectively. For instance, developers may be more focused on technical aspects, while policymakers may prioritize compliance with regulations. Understanding these differences is crucial for fostering productive dialogues. Once stakeholders are identified, it is crucial to establish clear communication channels. These channels facilitate continuous dialogue and feedback, ensuring that stakeholders remain informed and engaged throughout the AI lifecycle. One practical tool for maintaining communication is the use of collaborative platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams, which allow for real-time updates and discussions. Additionally, regular workshops and seminars can be organized to educate stakeholders on the ethical implications of AI technologies and gather their input on potential solutions. A key component of engaging stakeholders is fostering a culture of ethical awareness within organizations. This can be achieved through targeted training programs that emphasize the importance of ethics in AI. For example, AI ethics training can include modules on data privacy, bias mitigation, and the societal impact of AI. These programs should be designed to be interactive and participatory, allowing stakeholders to share their perspectives and experiences. By fostering a culture of ethical awareness, organizations can empower stakeholders to take an active role in ensuring that AI systems are developed responsibly. Furthermore, engaging stakeholders in AI ethical practices requires addressing real-world challenges. One such challenge is the issue of algorithmic bias, which can lead to unfair and discriminatory outcomes. To tackle this issue, organizations can implement bias detection and mitigation tools, such as IBM's AI Fairness 360, which provides a suite of algorithms to detect and mitigate bias in AI models. By involving stakeholders in the process of identifying and addressing bias, organizations can ensure that AI systems are fair and equitable. Another challenge is ensuring the transparency of AI systems. Transparency is crucial for building trust among stakeholders and ensuring accountability. A practical approach to enhancing transparency is the use of explainable AI techniques, which aim to make AI systems more understandable to non-experts. For instance, the LIME framework provides insights into how AI models make decisions, allowing stakeholders to assess the fairness and reliability of these systems. By implementing XAI techniques, organizations can provide stakeholders with the information they need to make informed decisions about AI deployment. Case studies provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of stakeholder engagement strategies. One notable example is the partnership between the City of Amsterdam and the AI company AI for Cities, which aimed to develop sustainable AI solutions for urban challenges. By involving local government, businesses, and citizens in the project, AI for Cities was able to create AI systems that address the specific needs and concerns of the community. This collaborative approach ensured that the AI solutions were not only technically sound, but also socially acceptable and aligned with the values of the stakeholders involved. Moreover, engaging stakeholders in AI ethical practices can be enhanced through the use of decision-making frameworks that incorporate ethical considerations. The ethical matrix, for example, is a tool that helps stakeholders assess the ethical implications of AI technologies by considering the perspectives of different stakeholder groups. By using the ethical matrix, organizations can facilitate discussions on the ethical trade-offs of AI deployment and reach consensus on the most appropriate course of action. Statistics also highlight the importance of engaging stakeholders in AI ethical practices. According to a survey conducted by Deloitte, 62% of organizations reported that they had experienced ethical challenges related to AI, with bias and discrimination being the most common issues. These findings underscore the need for a comprehensive approach to stakeholder engagement that addresses ethical concerns and promotes responsible AI use. In conclusion, engaging stakeholders in AI ethical practices is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a combination of strategic planning, effective communication, and the implementation of practical tools and frameworks. By conducting stakeholder mapping, establishing clear communication channels, fostering a culture of ethical awareness, and addressing real-world challenges, organizations can ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed in ways that are ethically sound and socially beneficial. The use of case studies and decision-making frameworks further enhances the ability of stakeholders to navigate the complex ethical landscape of AI. Ultimately, a collaborative and inclusive approach to stakeholder engagement is essential for achieving ethical AI governance.